Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm pretty excited because I got my BoxyCharm. I just wanted to do a little unboxing slash get ready with me because I'm getting ready to go to work, and just wanted to try this stuff out really quick and see how good it is. So first I'm going to start with the Pores No More Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brandt. It comes in a tube like this. And you get 1 fluid ounce in this bottle. So I'm gonna try this out and see how it goes. It says it's for all skin types, illuminating primer. Apply on clean, moisturized skin. Use alone for a natural bounce of light on the skin or under your makeup to prep your skin for a flawless application or PM. And it's I have no idea how to say that, non-comedogenic. See if I got that right. So, I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my face. It's a little tinted. I don't know if you can see that. It's very moist, like a moisturizer. Has a little scent to it, but I actually kind of like it. It's not that bad. Okay, so far, let's see. Not really noticing a big difference. But we'll see how it does when I apply my foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm not completely finished with like powdering and stuff like I wanted to, but I just wanted you guys to see. I'm going to zoom you in a little bit, get some up close. But I think the primer did work around here and my forehead here to minimize my pores, because I do have very large pores right in here, and they do, to me, look minimized. So I just wanted to show you guys that. So I'm going to finish doing powder and concealer, and I'll be back. I fixed the color. Sorry about that. I knew it was looking funny, but I couldn't figure out why. And I had the setting changed on my camera from messing around with it with Matthew. So I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit so you can kind of see what we're dealing with. I finished powder and I put some bronzer on because the next item that came in with it, I'm not sure if I'm going to use the bronzer, but as you can see, looking minimized and everything looks smooth so far. So minus my breakout. Nursing school stresses you out like no freaking other. So breakout central it is. So the next item that came in my BoxyCharm box was this Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. So when you open it up, it looks like this. It's really pretty, but I don't think that this bronze shade, I think it's going to be too dark for me. That's why I went ahead and did my bronzer, and I used the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which I freaking love, and it smells so good. So I am going to try and use the blush here just a little bit. I usually like a subtle blush, so I'm going to use like a really light hand on this and see how it goes. I really like that. It gives you like a nice soft flush to the face, and it's not like super sparkly or shiny like it looks in the pan, because like where it looks there, it looks like it's going to be like super shiny, and that's not really what I like. But it actually, you can't really see any like shininess. It just looks like a nice subtle flush, natural flush to the skin. So then next I am going to try out the highlight, which I'm really excited about. Do a little swatchy. Ooh. So it looks like giving you guys the finger. Feels a little chunky, but when you smooth it out, it looks beautiful. So we'll see how it goes. So definite win with this. I really like it. The next thing that came in the box is the IT Cosmetics Brow Powder. Brow Power, excuse me. I can't speak ever. It's a universal brow pencil. So let's see. Ooh. Comes in a little stick. So you've got a spoolie on one side and the on the other side. It's not really showing up well. Comes out like that. It's got like a really fat tip to it, which I don't know how I'm gonna like, but we're gonna try it out. To my Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit, and I freaking love that one. I'll do my brows off camera and I'll be back to let you guys know how it worked out. Okay, so it worked, but I don't think this is my favorite. I really prefer my Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit more. Be very careful if you're going to use this. I started to, I pulled my chair up to get a little bit closer to the mirror, and as soon as I kind of like tipped the, hopefully it doesn't do it again. See, there it goes. I tipped the pencil just a little bit to like kind of get it started, and it immediately like slides out. So I'm not really sure why. I mean, I don't have it rolled up that far, so it shouldn't be broken. It shouldn't be doing that. I don't know if something happened like in the mail, but I'm not a fan of that happening. But I mean, it worked, and my brows, I mean, it does the job. So can't really complain about that. So the next thing in the box is the Heavy Glam Metals Crown Pro eyeshadow palette. Looks like this, which I'm really excited to try this out, although I don't really know what kind of look I'm going to do since I do have to go to work. So, I don't know. This is what it looks like. It's got a cute little guitar for a mirror. Woo! Ignore my books. And then you get several eyeshadows. They're all really pretty, but they're all like shimmery. So I don't know what kind of look I'm going to go for here, but probably going to use something more in the realm of like maybe pop rock down here, or maybe like Wild Thing, which is like a reddish, like a burnt reddish color. So we shall see. I'm going to take a little bit of my butter bronzer. I don't mind doing this when I'm going to do like a couple, like a quick 1-2 little thing. Just put some bronzer on my eyes, a little shiny shimmer eyeshadow, some mascara, and then get on to work. So I'm going to apply a little bit of that. You know that feeling when you're about to drop an eyeshadow palette and shatter it, like that drop in your heart? Yeah, just freaking happened. I'm gonna dip into my Morphe Day Slayer 15D palette. Looks like this. I love this palette. It's very nice. And I'm just gonna go in there with a little bit of a darker shade. I'm going to go in with Define, which is right here, just to define that crease a little bit. So I think what I'm going to do is go into Pop Rock, which is the light silvery looking shade here. I think I'm going to do that all over the lid and see what happens. It's looking really pretty. Better than I thought it was going to do. I'm going to go back into my Morphe palette and just dig into that Define color again and get the outer corner just a little bit more, and then do under my eyes and lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so face is for the most part done. The last thing in the box to try out is the 1 Instant Plump 2 Long-Term Benefits. Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. Increases volume, hydration, and smoothness. And I'm guessing it's in the color Dusty Taro. Shall try it out. Ooh, I don't know what I just did. Do you like pump it out? What do you do? I'm so confused. See, it comes like this. Is that really how you get it out? Ooh, 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 there it goes, there it goes. You can see it coming up the little clear tube. Ooh, got it. I like the smell of this. Okay, a little bit more. Just a little bit. I don't want too much to come out. There's really not that much color to it, but it does. It's kind of like a minty feel to it. It's actually pretty because it's light. I don't know. It's light and it's really not. It's not burning or. There's a little bit of tingling. But really no color. Which, I mean, it's like a very faint color, like a very nude color. I actually kind of like this. I'm going to try it out a little bit more and see how it goes. So that is it for this video, everybody. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.